This home isn't just about design, it's about thoughtful transformation. When Mr. Janak Thakur and his family decided to renovate, the goal was clear: to create a space that felt open, calm, and personal. A home that reflected their lifestyle and taste without being flashy. What makes this project special is its origin. Originally, two separate apartments, now merged into one seamless, well planned residence. From the entrance, you're welcomed into a foyer that sets the tone for what's inside. The main door is a design highlighted, crafted from natural teak wood with a beautiful chisel texture, featuring a sculptural custom made handle with playful red detailing that adds personality and breaks the seriousness. In the foyer, vertical fluted panels line the walls to create texture and height, while to the right, brass flower plates arranged in a grid quietly reflect light, paired with a sleek black storage unit that remains functional yet visually light.
The flooring here is a thoughtful combination of white marble and mirror finish Kota stone, creating a subtle pattern that guides you inward. A key design challenge was the structural column that landed right in the middle of the entry passage, post-merging. Instead of hiding it, we embraced it, softened its edges, placed a tall wooden artifact beside it, and even carved a niche in the wall opposite to add depth and balance. From here, the space flows effortlessly into the living areas. A large existing ceiling beam helped us naturally divide the space into formal and informal living zones. We avoided using walls and instead installed a rotating TV unit that serves both the sides, keeping the openness intact. From here, the kitchen comes into view, a significant upgrade made possible by merging the old kitchen with the dining area. The new space is spacious, practical, and designed in a soft white palette with clean lines and subtle lighting. We avoided traditional handles in favor of concealed ones for a cleaner look, and included thoughtful features like pocket sliding door that open the kitchen to the house or close it off when needed, ideal for entertaining or containing aromas. The platform and island are finished in quartz. Both are durable and elegant, while large tiles on the walls maintain a soft, cohesive tone. We also added ventilation slates in the storage for freshness, ensuring long-term practicality.
Now, moving into the master bedroom, the brief was clear: calm, simple, and elegant. The bed panel rises all the way to the lintel in soft toned wood with fabric cushioning, giving it height without overwhelming the space. The ceiling retains its raw, exposed RCC finish, adding a subtle material honesty. With three doors: entry, bathroom, and balcony. We carefully concealed the bathroom door using grooved wall design to maintain visual calm. The shelving unit in this room is made from powder-coated metal. It is lightweight, minimal, and functional, serving both as a compact library and a space to display art. Personal touches like hanging cane light and a handmade painting complete the room.
Just beside the kitchen is the mother's bedroom, an airy, calm space blending modern and bohemian aesthetics. The entire room is whitewashed, giving it a serene backdrop grounded by grey mirrored finish Kota stone flooring. A deep green textured accent wall becomes the focal point, enhanced by a fabric headboard bordered with wood. The TV unit on the opposite wall is minimal, with metal rods and veneer drawers, and a designated planter space that softens the overall look.
As you enter the father's room, you're greeted by a serene white space where thoughtful design details quietly stand out.
The wall adjacent to the entrance is paneled and features warm wall-mounted lamps on either side of the bed, serving both functional nighttime visibility and soft ambient lighting that enhances the overall atmosphere.
To avoid monotony in the otherwise muted tones, a large custom-made painting introduces a splash of color and serves as a focal point above the bed.
A seamlessly integrated mirror flushed with the wall functions as a dresser while maintaining the room's clean and continuous visual flow. Further along, a cleverly concealed storage niche provides space for daily essentials.
All furniture in the room is furnished in PU in same tone as the walls, creating the harmony while ensuring durability, ease of maintenance. Even the washroom door is tucked discreetly into the wall paneling, allowing the room to remain uncluttered and unified its appearance.
Now let's move to the left of the foyer where the son's bedrooms and home theater await. The elder son's bedroom is a mirror of the master. Modern, minimalist and defined by texture. Fluted panels extend from the bed to the balcony wall. The wardrobe uses black fluted glass with aluminum profile shutters. And indirect lighting enhances its depth. Herringbone wooden flooring adds warmth and timeless charm. Contrasted by a clean ceiling with exposed RCC, custom artwork hangs above the bed, and a floating desk with a black mortal tile top. And veneer drawers doubles as a workspace and TV unit. Bathrooms throughout the home, though compact, have been carefully designed. The first son's toilet is light grey with vertical line detailing, clean and minimal. A fluted glass partition and matte black fixtures define the wet and dry zones. A wooden vanity and a backlit round mirror breaks the linear monotony while keeping the space functional and bright. The second son's room continues the minimalistic language. The bed's headboard is in olive green on rich wooden panels, running halfway up the wall for warmth and texture. Facing the bed is a floating dresser and large mirror, practical yet slick. The wall here is designed in two tones, wood below and floral wallpaper above, adding subtle artistry without overwhelming the room. The door, like the other rooms, is concealed within the wall paneling to preserve the clean, uninterrupted feel. The second son's bedroom takes a bolder approach with a black-on-black palette, vertical wood textures, and a striking asymmetrical mirror with soft backlighting.
Next is the home theater and bar, one of the most exciting spaces. Entered through pocket sliding doors with fabric sandwich glass for acoustic and privacy control. This room is both raw and modern. When we designed this home theater, we knew one thing: a big bulky wall-mounted projector screen would totally kill the vibe. So instead, we went for a drop-down projector screen, seamlessly concealed in the ceiling. When it's not in use, it completely disappears. Clean, minimal and super functional. The walls and ceiling retain an exposed RCC texture. Deep sofas offer relaxed viewing, while the bar at the back provides a social counterpoint with high stools. Indirect lighting in the false ceiling mimics the immersive ambience of real theaters. From two separate apartments to one cohesive, deeply personal home, every corner of Mr. Jarak Thakur's residence has been reimagined not just for beauty, but for better living where aesthetics meets everyday practicality.